where class anytime. This is a general condition, okay, to filter the data. Okay, next we have the having is there. We have the having class. So having class is a condition where also they are going to ask the interview what is the difference between the where and having. So they are going to ask the question, what is the difference between the where class and having class. So where is a general condition, you can able to apply to filter any data, you can able to apply the where class anytime. But having class on top of the grouped results, on top of the group results. Group results means just now we are going to give in the grouping. For example, just I am going to remove here at the moment. This is the grouped results. On top of the grouped results, if you want to apply any filter, okay, if you want to apply any filter, then you have to use the having class. On top of the grouping results, if you want any filter, then you have to use the mandatory, you have to use the having class to filter the data. Okay, for example, I am going to apply the having class, having. Okay, so count of employee numbers greater than 3. I given the count of employee numbers greater than 3. Now tell me guys, what is my output you will get here? This is the filter I am going to give on top of the grouping result.
First 3 rows it will display.
Yeah. So what are the, this is the grouping result.
First 2 rows.
Yeah, correct. So this is the grouping result. On top of this column, I am applying the count of employee number greater than 3 means here whoever getting the count more than 3 employees are there, those employees only it will display here. See, only 6 and 5 only displayed. Earlier 1 and 3 also there, department 10 and 40. Now we are going to give the filtering based on the having class. Okay, but if I give this one where DPD number equal to 10, now tell me guys, what is my output? We can able to use this one or we cannot able to use it, will throw any error. What is the output here? If I give this command statement, if I execute now, what will happen?
Error, sir.
Why it's error?
Because group 10 is not there and we have selected, sir. Department 10.
Okay, okay. Then any other one, any other answers? Any other answers? See, it won't throw any error. See, first is going to execute the where class. Okay, this is a general condition. I told anytime we can able to use the where class. Okay, anytime we can able to use the where class. Okay, it's a general condition. First is going to apply the general condition. On top of the general condition, they are going to apply the grouping. Just now we have seen this one earlier. Earlier we seen on top of the general condition, they are applying the grouping now. Okay, here also they are applying the general condition. Okay, they are applying the general condition.
Structure will display.
Yeah, and then we are applying the grouping. On top of the grouping, again we did the condition. See, 0 records because of the department term is the only greater than only 3 employees are there. If I give equal to my output, it came the 3. If I remove this one, what happened? 3, 10, 10. Okay, so now we apply the general condition. General condition become the only 1 record. Okay, what is the difference between the where and having means? both are the conditions. Where and having both are the conditions. Where is a general condition, having is a on top of the grouping results. On top of the grouping results, whenever we want to apply the any condition. Can you guys go on mute, please? Someone. Whenever we want to apply the results, whenever we want to apply the filter condition on grouping results, we are going to apply the having. Without group by, we can't able to use the having class. Okay, without group by, we can't able to write the having class. For example, I'm going to write the having class. Without group by, I remove the group by. Next, I'm removing the here. Okay, here if you use the DPT number, you can see guys. Now without group by, we can't able to write. You can see. So mandatory, if you want to use the having class, means you have to use the group by function. Okay, on top of the grouping results only, we have to use the this having class. Okay, now group by DPT number. Okay, so mandatory, if you want to use the having class, means you have to use the mandatory group by. Okay, if you want to use the mandatory group by. But where class, if you use the group by, if you use the having without use, we can able to apply any time. So this is general, anytime we can able to use. But having class will be only after grouping the results only, you have to apply the having class. Clear guys? Clear? Yeah. So you know what is the from, distinct, order by. Okay, what is the from? From is the from where you are going to select. From where we are going to select the data, that is the from class. Okay, from where we are going to select the data, that is our from class. Okay, next will be order by class. So order by class will be select star from emp. This is the my statement. I want to ordering the, for example, based on the salary I want to order, or employee name. Here R is there, starting M, S is there, L is there. I want to order by the employee name with some order sorting. With the small, first of all, I want to display the A first. A employees, B employees, 3 employees, like that. The naming convention. So that is the reason for sorting purpose we are going to use the order by class. Okay, order by class. Order by ename. Order by ename. Okay, what happened now guys? See, it's ordered the sorting. First of all, A letters it came. Next B letters, C letters. Okay, so we have two types of orders are there. One ascending order, one is the descending order. So by default will be, if you mention or not, by default it will going to take the ascending order, means this is the ascending order. Okay, if you want to descending order, means highest to lowest, first Z letter you want to come, then you have to use the, explicitly you have to use the DESC, descending order. Okay, now what happened? See, first I, from last to first it will come, it's sorting. Ascending means first to last, descending means last to first. Okay, by default it will be ascending order. So by default it will be ascending order. If you want descending, you have to use the DESC. You no need to use the AESC. Ascending is ASC. No need to use. By default it will be ascending only. Clear guys? Ascending and descending. DESC. Clear? That is the order by. To sort the any column. For example, I want to sort employee name, and then here will be two salaries are there. I want to employee name 11,000 is there. 1600 is there. First I want to display the highest, who are the highest. In the first name, who are the highest will be salary I am getting. So I am going to use the employee name comma salary. See what happened? Salary invalid. See, first Adams is came, then 1100, Allen 1600. Where same names are there, then it will be apply. The same names are there, then it will be apply. Okay. Instead of that, to see the difference, DPT number. See, under same names are there 3, then it's going to give the sorting. If I remove this one, first of all, see, the first 40 is there. Okay, then it will be 3000 is there. It's not given the sorting here. If I use the sorting, or you can use the DESC or salary. What happened now, guys? You have to use the comma. What happened now? Tell me. So first this column is descending, and then these are the column. So is the ascending order. This is ascending. See, 950 is the first low numbers, then highest numbers. 950, 1250, 1250, 1500, 1600. If I want descending this one also, I'm going to use the DESC. See, first will be after 30. This is the highest one. 30 department, this is the highest. 30 department, this is the 1600, 1500, 1250, 12. So ascending and descending orders. By default will be ascending order, will be descending order. If you want explicitly, you have to use the DESC. Clear, guys? Order by. What is the purpose of the order by class? To sort your result. To sort your result, we are going to use the order by. Sometimes in the real time, they are going to use like this. Select star from EMP, order by 1. Like this they are going to use. If I didn't give this one, see what is the result. Okay, 10057369, like this is the order. Okay, if I use the order by 1, what happens? You can see, guys. What is the difference here? This is the order is there, same order is there, that is the reason it's not, it's showing the same thing. If I use the 2, you can see the difference. So this column is going to sort. If I use the 2, this is column, this column. If I use the 3, this column is going to sort now. Okay, if I use the this or this, what are the column name? Like that, 1, 2, 3 it will take. This is the first column, this is the second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, 6, 7, 8. If I give the 8, see, this is going to give the ordering. Clear, guys? But interview point of view, they are going to ask one question. Select e-name from employee, order by 2. Now tell me, guys, what is the result here? Employee name is the second column here. Okay, employee name is the second column. If I give select e-name from EMP, order by 2, what happens, guys? Tell me. It will read.
Only e-name column will display.
Okay.
Under ascending order.
Okay. Any other answers, guys? Any other answers? We'll see. So if you give this one, select e-name from
name.
sorry.
Ascending order A.
Okay. Same answer. Okay. See, if you use this one, see, we are going to give the, go on mute, please. If you give the star,